Join me as I challenge myself to buy properties with minimal cash using purchase lease options and see if I can really grow my wealth. I've always been fascinated by the idea of building wealth through property, but I know it's not easy necessarily, especially when you're just starting out. You don't necessarily have a lot of capital available. Traditional route to buying a property requires a significant down payment, 25% usually, and good credit rating, which sometimes people don't have. If they've had problems in the past, they haven't got a good credit rating. This method, purchase lease options, you don't need a good credit rating. So you don't have to overcome that barrier. Many aspiring investors struggle to save a huge down payment, and even if they do, they may not qualify for a mortgage due to the credit issues. It's a catch-22 situation. You need money to invest, but you also need a good credit score to get a loan. This limits the opportunities for many people who are eager to enter the property market. The high down payment requirements and strict lending standards from banks make it difficult for people to get started. Even if you have a steady income, you might not be able to qualify for a mortgage if you have a few bumps on your credit report, unexpected things. It happens to the best of us. Let's not forget about the closing costs, inspections, surveys, legal costs, stamp duty. All these things are additional costs that you've got to have a lump sum of money to pay. These hurdles can be discouraging, but what if I told you there's an alternative approach that can help you get started with minimal cash? Lease options offer a creative solution to the traditional barriers of real estate investing. Lease options work by giving you the right to, or rather the option to buy at a later date. You don't necessarily have to do it, but you've got a right to buy at a later date under a purchase lease option. So you pay rent, which is the lease part of the purchase lease option, and you pre-agree a purchase price. Now, the purchase price could be above the current market value, because what you're relying on is that depending on the period of the lease option, your capital appreciation will have increased, and so at a point in the future you can afford to pay either the current market rate or above market rate, because in the future this will be below market value. So it's a little bit of a different concept. You're entering into an agreement to exercise an option to buy in the future if you decide to, but you do enter into an agreement to lease for a number of years. So you need to be prepared to pay the rental that you agree for X years, whether it's 5 years, 7 years, or even longer. And lease options work by giving you the right to buy it at a later date while you pay rent to the seller. A portion of your rent payments may be applied to the down payment or the purchase price, so you're effectively paying off on your purchase price. This approach requires a much lower initial investment compared to traditional buying methods. One of the biggest benefits of lease options is the potential for profit. If the property appreciates in value, you can buy it at the agreed upon price and sell it for a profit. You can also use lease options to negotiate a better price or terms with the seller. For example, let's say you find a property that's worth £200,000, but the seller is motivated and willing to work with you. You agree to pay £1,500 per month in rent for 2 years, with £500 of each payment going towards the down payment. At the end of the lease period, you can buy the property for £180,000 and immediately sell it for market value at that time, which will be £200,000. Therefore, you would create and make a £220,000 profit. This strategy requires careful planning and execution, but it can be incredibly rewarding. By using lease options, you can build wealth with minimal cash up front. I'd like to share a success story that illustrates the power of lease options. Meet John, who started with a single property and grew his portfolio to over 20 properties using lease options. He began by finding undervalued properties and negotiating lease options with motivated sellers. John's strategy involved identifying properties with high potential for appreciation and negotiating favourable lease terms. He also focused on building relationships with sellers and learning how to structure deals that benefited both parties. Over time, John was able to build significant wealth through lease options, and his portfolio generated a substantial passive income. His success story is a testament to the potential of lease options for wealth growth. In conclusion, lease options offer a game-changing approach to real estate investing, allowing you to build wealth with minimal cash up front. So by understanding how lease options work and using the right strategies, you can overcome traditional barriers and achieve your investment goals. If you have any thoughts or questions about lease options, I'd love to hear them in the comments. Also, be sure to check out my other videos on property strategies for more insights on how to grow your wealth. If you'd like to discuss this video or any other videos with me, that's Alan on 07539 141257. From outside the UK, that's +44 7539 141257, or the landline 0333 224 1257. From outside the UK, that's +44 333 224 1257. You can schedule a call with me at calendly.com/AlanJE, or you can simply drop an email to alan@alpusgroup.com. Cheers for now.